There she is.
That's right.
It's a platform.
Yes, it is.
We got another platform.
All right, guys, so this is gonna be our new setup for the cross cart. We're doing a very special sideways single front wheel up front. Steering's gonna get a little weird, but we'll figure that out. Pretty aggressive rake stance here. No engine, going pedal power. It's gonna be sick. If y'all been around, you know exactly what this is. This is the beginnings of our epic Tillotson 225 powered cross cart build with Go Power Sports. Get this thing chopped up today, have it down to a bare frame, and we can start kind of mocking some stuff up.
It's cool having it in the bay right now. Just got real.
Yeah, buddy. Shall we? Take it away.
No tools required, just a big bob. Nice.
Hold on. It's still connected. We need a Sawzall.
There it is. Center it back up.
Yep. Woo! There she is.
That's right.
It's a platform.
Yes, it is.
We got another platform.
Oh, man. Yep.
That's all we need.
I know, literally. So, I wish I had something comfy to sit on. So this is what we're working with. I'm really excited for our first single seat centered up build.
Yeah, I'm there now too. You've been talking about it for a while.
Yeah.
And I'm definitely there.
So since we're gonna want to put one of the big boy seats like your Kart in this,
Yeah.
I think we're ultimately gonna have to make this longer. This is where my pedals can be, basically. So I have to be about this far back, and your seats are pretty thick, so that's gonna end up real close. So we may have to extend the back half of this,
Yeah.
just make it a little bit longer, which I don't mind for wheelbase reasons, honestly. It's not like the best frames, but they're put together pretty decently well. Once I go in and like close up a bunch of the half wells that they have, it's gonna be even stronger, but it would be really nice to be able to just use this thing as is. I mean, we might as well get the engine and put it in there.
Yeah. That fits nice.
I know, dude.
Yeah.
I'm actually starting to second guess myself because this fits really well. Because it's gonna be hard mounted to the actual frame,
Yeah.
we don't have to worry so much about like the clearances here. Like this is pretty tight, but I could slide this all the way
Oh yeah.
over here and have it hanging out a little bit because none of this is gonna move in relation to the frame, unlike on our carts where there's, you have to
Right.
consider that. So
Right.
I might be able to just push this thing all the way back like this because I want room down here for my axles to come out because I want this thing to be pretty flat. So I'm thinking about building my actual like axles out from in the middle of here, put this like up here just above it, which can be pretty cool. And that makes it easier for me to run all of my you know, jack shafts and stuff that I'm gonna have to do. So maybe that's the answer. I like to keep the weight low as possible for obvious reasons, but
Yeah.
this thing is gonna be a little monster. They make a clear side cover for these. I have to get a hand on one of those. Okay, I'm actually feeling better. I thought it was gonna be tighter. I guess I'm just so used to the big 420s.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Little small block, making our life easy. Let me get those axles. We can see how,
I was thinking that.
how wide this thing's gonna be.
I was just thinking the same thing. Got a little
What is that?
got a little grease on it.
That's not how it's supposed to happen. Okay. Okay. Somewhere realistically right in there, probably gonna be where we end up. Sit in it real quick. Yeah, it's pretty baller. Dude, I think I have plenty of room to package this thing. I don't think we're gonna need to stretch it.
It'd be nice if we don't have to. I agree.
I really like the short, wide wheelbase.
Yeah.
Like, it's gonna be pretty wild. Yeah, we're looking good right now, dude.
I like it.
I got a couple things that I still need ordered for the rear end. Got some stuff on the way from Go Power Sports.
Nice.
We're gonna be in serious business with this thing very, very soon. I'm already forgetting what it was. But that's what I wanted to do today. All right, man. That's about as far as I wanted to get today. The mental image is forming.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna be absolutely epic. Thank you again to Go Power Sports for making this build possible. This thing is going to be absolutely insane. I know a bunch of y'all been waiting on this one. So appreciate y'all for watching. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you click to hit those notifications. And we'll catch y'all in the next one.
Sounds good.
All right, you wanna help me move this thing in?
Yeah.
Well, yo, wait, I mean, it's out here. Should we just take it for a spin?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do it. Looking good. Let's start her up.
Hey,
Ooh, doggy.
please keep your arms snug inside the vehicle at all times.
Yes, sir.